and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. I'm happy to be here on Beautiful Spotless Skin FB page, and I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Beautiful Spotless Skin. I see them working tirelessly from a couple of years now, putting up live talks on topics that are very relevant in public awareness on dermatology and aesthetics. Also, I would want to appreciate for their choice of topics like steroid abuse on skin, sunscreens in skin, routine skincare, the various tips and tricks of hair care. So even I have done some live sessions and I have been following the page, and I would say the teamwork is definitely commendable. So I again congratulate the team and I wish them all the very best for all the future endeavors. Great going, all the best. We look forward to such more live sessions in public awareness. Great going team, all the best.
Today I want to congratulate Spotless Skin campaign page on Facebook for the initiative and for their second anniversary. It has been a great initiative by them by creating awareness on the Facebook, on the digital media about the misuse of steroids and about the different skin problems and issues. It was easy for doctors in their free time also to know more about the diseases, to know more about the fellow colleagues, like how they are tackling with other problems. And of course for the patients and for the affected people, it was a really boon that they were doing on a Facebook media which is approachable and which is being used by millions of Indians online.
I would like to congratulate Beautiful Spotless Skin for running this wonderful page and campaign for skin awareness, and congratulations on their completing 2 years on this beautiful campaign, and I hope you continue more, and it gives everyone a very good platform to share their views and share their knowledge, and it also helps a lot in gaining awareness about what are the do's and don'ts in skin and cosmetology. Thank you.
And it's really a wonderful job which they are doing, where all the dermatologists are coming on board, and we are actually answering a lot of real queries by real patients. And even I did a Facebook live session which went really well with more than 6,000-7,000 views, and I think that these sort of platforms are really helpful for the patients to get answer to their real concern rather than beating around the bush. So I wish all the very best to this page, and here's wishing you once again a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Spotless Skin campaign, I am overwhelmed by the response with which they have made the entire Facebook live and promoted it to so many people, that they have gained so much of knowledge about all the dermatological problems which are to date right now in a very simple and a basic way also. The reach has been amazingly outstanding, to the fact that I think more than 40,000 views have gone across the nation for reaching people having dermatological problems and otherwise also. So I think it's an excellent medium for making people aware of certain skin conditions they have, so that they take proper treatment and they have good skin. I wish them all the best on their second anniversary and hope that this campaign moves forward.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the Spotless Skin for completion of successful 2 years. It is a very nice and informative platform with huge number of skin experts to share expert comments for healthy and glowing skin.
It was very nice of Spotless to give me that opportunity in February to voice my concern and spread the awareness regarding long-term usage of steroid cream.
I wish a lot of success to Spotless. Wishing you a happy birthday or happy anniversary, Spotless. Thank you. Go on educating the people. Spread the good things in the society.
I'm sure the patients and the public would have been benefited a lot from this initiative. You have really done a commendable job, and I would like to wish you all success in the forthcoming years to continue this service and create a bridge between the doctors and the patients.
They have been doing amazing job in spreading awareness about skin and hair care through social media platform, and with this lockdown and everything that we have been encountering for last 4-5 months now, I'm sure we all have benefited a lot from all those programs that they have been doing for creating some awareness about skin and hair, especially with all the doctors coming in one platform and suggesting what should be the best for your skin and hair, and all the home care that we have been suggesting. I personally participated in one of the live, and their response was immense. I congratulate one.
It was a great experience and an interactive session. My best wishes for the completion of 2 years.
So suggesting to like the page of Beautiful Spotless Skin on Facebook, that is meant for social welfare. On this page you can find the solution of different skin problems by the expert doctors. So visit that page, and I hope you will get benefited.
The Beautiful Spotless Skin FB page created by you all is a very good initiative. I really liked the page and I'm thankful for being a part of it. Wish you a very happy birthday anniversary for the page. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Hi, I am Dr. Deepti Dehradun, and I'd like to congratulate the organizers of this wonderful initiative, Beautiful Spotless Skin on Facebook. I think it's a fabulous job you guys are doing of spreading information, of educating the people about various skin and hair issues, connecting the doctors with the patients and the patients with the doctor, vice versa. So keep doing the good work. Please accept my heartiest congratulations for this wonderful journey, and may you keep spreading such information in the future also successfully. All the best. Wish you good luck.
Congratulate Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign page for celebrating 2nd anniversary.
Great awareness initiative. Thank you very much that I be a part of Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm from Uganda. I am here for my studies. I followed the page on a friend's request. Trust me, my dear, I found fabulous information from amazing doctors.
Thank you, Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign, and congratulations for your 2nd anniversary.
Congratulations for your 2nd anniversary, and I'm happy to be a part of Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign.
Thank you, Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign, for educating me on misuse of steroids on the skin, and I love to be a part of this wonderful initiative.
Congratulations, Beautiful Spotless Skin campaign, for completing your 2 years.